Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Revlon hair dryer brush to achieve this blow dry look at home. If you're interested to find out how I do this, then please keep watching. I'm starting by partially drying my hair. Make sure your hair isn't completely dry at this stage. It should be damp but not dripping wet. Now dividing my hair, and I'm going to be working in small sections. I prefer sectioning my hair for better results, and I would recommend you guys to do the same. This way you can ensure that you've covered all parts of your hair evenly. I'm going to be using the second setting, which is the warm one, throughout the video. If you prefer going ahead with the first setting, that's completely fine as well. It all depends on your hair type and hair texture. Now I'm going to place my brush under my hair and I'm going to repeat this process 2-3 times. I then roll my hair upwards. This helps me make sure my hair is completely dry from the roots, and it also helps me get a smooth and straight finish. Can you see the difference? I'm now going in with the next section of my hair. For the next section, I'm again going to roll my hair upwards just to ensure that my roots are dried and I get a smooth and straight finish. I'm going to repeat this process 2-3 times. Now I'm going to place my brush under my hair like this and just go through it a couple of times. The reason I'm repeating this step is just to ensure I have as much as volume as possible. Now I'm going in with the entire section. Here I'm wrapping my hair around the brush. I take the entire chunk of hair and wrap it around the brush. Can you see the difference? I'm now going in with the next section and I'm going to repeat the same process of what I did for the first few sections. I'm going to fast forward this process a little bit. I've added as many clips I could just to give an understanding how exactly I do it. I'm going back and repeating the same process, but you can completely skip this step. The reason I'm doing it is just to achieve my desired result, but it's not mandatory for you to do it. I'm moving into the crown section and I tried to include as many angles as I could just to give you an idea of how I get bouncy and voluminous hair. And there you have it, salon style blowout at home using your Revlon dryer brush. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for joining me and see you in the next video. Bye.